Hello everyone, Windroid here and welcome back to another video. Apple and Samsung have offered yearly refreshes of its popular smartwatches, and it looks like Google will also follow suit with a successor to the Pixel Watch that will reportedly arrive later this year alongside the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro. According to 9 to 5 Google, the name Pixel Watch 2 hasn't been locked in yet, but it wouldn't be a surprise to see considering the naming scheme of the company's Pixel smartphones throughout the years. There isn't a firm date of when to expect the new wearable, but since it has been reported that it will arrive with the next Pixel devices, there's a good chance that we will see it arrive in October. Historically, Google's main Pixel line has seen a release in October, with only one deviation to date, which saw the Pixel 5 launch in September. John Prosser of FrontPage Tech has also chimed in on Twitter, confirming the watch and general release window. Furthermore, Prosser adds that Google is working on 2 watches for this fall, the Pixel Watch successor and one that will be aimed at a younger audience but will most likely be released under the Fitbit brand. While the Pixel Watch is still one of the best smartwatches out right now, there are some shortcomings like its price and battery life. Of course, we'd love to see some improvements with the next version, with our Pixel Watch 2 wishlist including the option for 2 different sizes, thinner bezels around the display, and use of standard watch bands, so customization is much easier. Perhaps most important is enhancements to its software with better health, fitness, and wellness tracking. With Google I/O 2023 set to take place next week, there's a good chance that Google could tease its upcoming Pixel 8 phones and Pixel Watch successor. During last year's developer conference, the company delivered early teasers for the Pixel 7 handsets, Pixel Watch, and Pixel Tablet. While the company could offer some teasers, it's really hard to say considering that this year's event looks like it could be jam-packed. So far, only the Pixel Fold has been confirmed, but leaks have stated that the Pixel 7a, and possibly the Pixel Tablet could make an appearance. That's it guys for this video. If you like it, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And see you in the next one. Peace.